My prototype disc motor works. Homemade completely, out of parts. Found all the coils. These little coils are Bobbins, sewing machine Bobbins. Each about 750 turns, and the thing actually works. It's quite amazing. I'm going to show you. This is just a prototype demo, but it works. Two magnets. There's actually 3 coils in this disc. I'm planning to make a little DC motor upon a similar principle, so there will be a video coming up of that at some stage in the future, if hopefully it works. But yeah, there's a parallel shunt in the device. I still need to work on some commutator support, but for now it works with the 2 pins like this. Runs extremely well actually. Got the motor running at 36 volts from 3 SLA batteries. The hardest part is making the actual commutator. That is very awkward. To get the segments cut and then put them all on the sleeve so they don't fall off. A bit of mucking around, but it works. That's the best part. So these are just bobbin coils. I got these on eBay, and winding wires. I think it's gauge 36 or 34 or something. It's very small gauge. And the commutator is ribbon copper that comes from an old 11 kV cable sheath. The segments still come off because the glue is still a little bit wet, but yeah, it works quite nicely. And for support, I'll prefer roller bearings. These are bearings I got on eBay from I think they come out of roller skaters or something like that. So this is still not perfect, the joints in here, but it's for the fact of poving the machine, it seemed to run quite nicely. So this is just a DC motor. Get a different angle, give it another test run, and yeah. Magnets are just from a microwave. Yeah, one segment is a bit loose, but it's a pleasure to see this work. So this can be made all from scratch materials or very cheaply obtained. Winding wire can even be taken out of old TV yokes. That's just an enjoyment to see this stuff. Here visualize the start current, 0.3 ampere, which drops down to about 0.2. (180 milliampere), I think it's about the settle current at 36 volts. Point of commutation. I'll try it out with carbon. I need to get some carbon sticks out of pencils and see how that's going to work. Test voltage is 38 volts, drops down to about 36.